जो बोलता है कि हम कुछ भी खा लेंगे, कुछ भी चलेगा, खाने में हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, ऐसा जो बोलता है ना, वो भगवान है, भगवान। बट हम इंसान हैं, हम खाने के लिए जीते हैं और खाने के लिए ही मरते हैं। और अच्छा खाना नहीं मिला ना तो गला घोट के जान भी ले सकते हैं किसी का। दिस इज मी। Ordering Americano, black coffee, or any water based coffee, if you ask me, I still feel it's a wastage of money, but it is super healthy at the same time. But हम इंडियंस हैं, अगर कॉफ़ी में थोड़ा दूध नहीं मिलेगा ना तो मज़ा नहीं आता है, लगता नहीं कि कॉफ़ी पिया है. सो थिंकिंग ऑफ कॉफ़ी इन योर माइंड और 3 places I would say, Third Wave, CCD and Starbucks. These 3 fancy places no doubt serve good coffee, but at the same time very expensive. If you are in Bangalore and want to try some different places, I would say there are 2 more places you should go. One is Benki Coffee in Jayanagar. It's a takeaway or you can stand and drink. They don't have a sitting area. Second is the Roastery in Kalyan Nagar. Have a very good sitting area, moderately expensive. Try these 2 places if you are in Bangalore. Who doesn't like bakery product? I love bakery product. But when it comes to buying, I am very particular. So I'll tell you one of the best bakery in Bangalore, that is Luvia Bakery. It's a small enterprise. It opened, I guess, 4-5 years or more than 5 years back. The best thing about this bakery is they make everything 100% whole wheat, no added preservative. They have gluten-free and vegan options as well. So on order also they make bread. I love almond flour bread, so sometimes I order that. It's a bit costly but worth spending. You can order their product on Zomato, Swiggy. Also they have a site called luviabakery.com. So I'll show you what I bought today. So it's a carrot cake. As you can see, it's very moist and jaggery and honey cake. I'll take a bite and let you know. Super moist, yummy. The best part is their sweetness is mild, not very sweet. Products are awesome. If you're a health conscious person, this is the place for you. When it comes to go out and eat veg, I prefer chole bhature. That is my all-time favorite. In Bangalore, there are 2 places which I love. The first one is Panditji, Kormangla. Awesome chole bhature. Chole are chatpata, that has taste, really good. And second, Natraj chole bhature. Again, you have multiple outlets, but I went to the Indranagar one. Their ratings and reviews are good. So these 2 places in Bangalore, I prefer mostly when I crave for chole bhature. Those 2 places I see. There are multiple outlets that gives you chole bhature. Bhature is something which most of them prepare nicely. But when it comes to the chole, most of the places I have seen, it is bland. Like, it doesn't have that sweetness or sourness, that chatpataness is not there, or slight spicy, it is not there. Most of the places it is bland. But why I prefer these 2 places is because there, along with the bhature, the main part, the chole, is really great. So that is why my personal favorite is these 2 places. I love dosa, but now if you ask me, being a non-South Indian, the best dosa, Karnataka style best dosa in Bangalore, where do you get? My personal favorite is CTR Malleshwaram. Yes, there will be a long queue, but worth standing in the queue and enjoying your so cheap meal. So CTR is a must to go place. I went to around 60-70 places in Bangalore for dosa, but authentic Karnataka style, I loved CTR. There are many other, but my personal favorite is CTR. Biryani, please, I can't comment on that. There are a dozen of places in Bangalore to explore, from Nati style to Done to Hyderabadi to Lucknowi and Kolkata style. But sorry, no comments. You should go through my stories and post and see the places I'm going to. But specifically, you ask me, yes, if you are new to Bangalore, then Shivaji Military Hotel is one in Jayanagar. You should try their Done biryani. For others, I'll not comment. Thank you. This summer, craving for authentic Punjab style lassi in Namma Bengaluru, I'll tell you, there is a place called Patiala Lassi in Sanjay Nagar. Their lassis are superb. those lassis remind me of my days of having lassi in Amritsar. So if you love lassi, the authentic ones, not the one where you put lot of rabdi, dry fruits and all, plain lassi, proper lassi, you should visit that place. Price wise, it's really good. They also serve chole kulcha, and the owner is a Punjabi guy only. So if you are around Sanjay Nagar, somewhere around there, or you are planning to visit exclusively to that place, you must go there.
हे बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक है ना?
बस चल रहा है भाई।
व्हाट अबाउट यू?
हाँ चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक है ना?
हाँ ठीक है,
और तेरा?
बस चल रहा है।
कितना मनमोहक व्यू है, इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है, देखो ना ढलता सूरज धीरे 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 ढल रहा है।
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है,
बाकी सब ठीक,
बस चल रहा है। तू भी कुछ बोल रे पुष्पा।
बस किलोमीटर गिनते गिनते अपना टाइम निकल रहा है।
Kolkata style chicken kathi roll in Namma Bangalore. There are two of my favorite spots. One is a Rayan Kitchen. It's a cloud kitchen in Bomanhalli. So there you can take away. Their rolls are awesome, quite big in size. And there is one more in New Bail Road, that is Sahi Darbar Roll and Sandwiches. Their rolls are also awesome. Lover of chicken kathi roll, proper Kolkata style. The flavor also you get in Bangalore. Try these two places, these are really good. Burger, pizza, wrap. These are the three things most of us love. Now I'll tell you my personal favorite places in Bangalore. For burger, first Burger Signal Indranagar. There are multiple outlets across Bangalore, but I have been there. It's a dining place, little costly, but worth spending. Second, Jingo Burger. It's a cloud kitchen. You can do you can order online also, but I went there and I did a takeaway there. Their burgers are also good. Now when it comes to pizza, I love thin crust Italian style pizza. So two more must try places are Eating Love. It's in Kasavanahalli, Sarjapur. Their pizzas are really great. It's a vegetarian place. Thin crust pizza, sourdough base they have, and they have vegan options also. Handcrafted cheese, must go there. Little expensive again. Second is Says Marianic Whitefield. It's a non-vegetarian place. Ambience wise not that great, but yes, pizzas are superb. And third, Pita Wrap. Yes, roadside adda in New Bail Road. Pita Wrap is awesome. And last is Baba Ganush. It's in Kormangla and Fazer Town. Their pita wraps are mind blowing. Try these places.